Okay, so before I do any kind of subtle modeling, I'm going to go in and make sure I can get this unit, the base unit, duplicated and positioned so it can then be easily. Now I want to mirror this, but I know I can't put together two faces. I can't attach at the commissar, without deleting that face right there. Okay, so now there's no, it'd be hard to see on the tape, so let me get in here, but see how there's no face there now, okay? So let's go through the steps we would generally do. We're going to notice there's a bunch of history here. So first thing we do is edit, delete by type history. And then modify. We've got all our values there, translation, rotation, scaling, etc. So we'll freeze the transformation and we'll center the pivot. And obviously the pivot's going to find the literal mathematical point. So I want to get the pivot right on the axis here. So I hold down the letter D, because that circle. Then I hold down the letter X. That adds another little circle in there. Then I'm only moving the pivot in the X direction, so it snaps it right there. Now I can take the object and mirror it. So in this case, I don't want to cut it. I want to combine it. I want to use a relatively small distance between vertices along the border point. In other words, right along there. So that should give me a good half. And you can see here in the middle, it's got that edge there. So what I'm going to do is select that and delete it. Okay, so now I've basically got a base unit. Now it rolls over, it doesn't stay nice and cut edged, but you want to avoid worrying about that cut edge until you got everything on the large scale accomplished. Otherwise, when you start putting more and more detail, you'll find that the software will make more and more mistakes. So what I'm going to do now is let's go to this perspective view. Let's hide the white matter for a second. So there again, that's the final base unit. And what I want to do next is grab these faces and have it become as long, or as tall, I guess you would say, as the vertebral canal that it's inside.